Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited about this video because number one, I'm kicking off my holiday content videos, but number two, I am collabing with a beautiful group of ladies to share with you some tablescape ideas and kind of what we all have going on around our spaces. And so it's super exciting because this is a wonderful group of ladies that many of you may already know, and if you do not know, I know you will fall totally in love with each one of them. So they're all listed below. So now I want to get into sharing with you what I have going on. Okay friends, so today I am taking you on the journey of putting together a tablescape for my team. And if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome, and I hope that you will stick around and subscribe and be a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I share so much content on home organization, home decor, cooking, all those things that we love and that we don't love too. I try to share tips on things that, to be efficient around our home. I also am a professional organizer, and I have a business here in the Charleston, South Carolina area, and I opened my business almost 3 years ago. I can't believe it's been almost 3 years ago. And thanks to all of my subscriber friends for, supporting me and joining me on this journey. They have been with me since the beginning. And I am at my office now because I am creating a tablescape for our Christmas breakfast. And we're doing a Christmas breakfast, and I wanted to do something special for my team. So I put together a fun tablescape, and I thought that this would be a fun share for the collab because you may be in the process of planning some type of holiday kind of special get together at your job. So I hope that you will find it fun, and let's get started. Okay friends, the first thing that I needed to do was find holiday dishware for the office. I wanted a set that we could pull out year after year and use specifically for the office. So I went to one of my go-tos, Old Time Pottery, not sponsored by the way, but I love coming here because they have a huge selection of white dishes, and you all know how much I love white dishware. And so this is great if the holidays you need appetizer plates and bowls and things like that. They really have affordable dishware. But I was looking for really fun, whimsy, almost childlike dishware for the holidays, holiday specific. And so I had a vision in my head, but it's nothing like going in the stores and really seeing what you are, thinking about in your head. And so when I got there, I wanted to be really, really strategic in finding things that were fun. And I saw so many things that really were cute and some that were formal, but I was trying to really stay in the opposite direction. I wanted crazy fun. And so this was really great because they had such a great selection. It really gave me a lot to work with. I thought about giving everybody kind of a monogram glass or something to personalize each one of their places, but the glasses that they had that were monogram were cute, only $1.99, but they were a little too formal, and again, I wanted to stay fun. I then, of course, hit up Target because I wanted to get some gift bags, because on the tablescape, I'm going to put I'm going to put them a little kind of gift bag at the table, along with I'm going to do a hot chocolate bar. I'm setting all of this up in my conference room, and so I'm going to put a hot chocolate bar in there along with the tablescape where we're going to have our breakfast, and the hot chocolate bar will stay up, all winter long. And so I did also go by Bath, I can't say it right, Bath and Body Works. I always get it mixed up with Bed Bath & Beyond, but Bath and Body Works to get the things to put into their little baggies, and I'll show you that a little later. And because I put out my decor at home, I had some empty bins to load everything up and bring it to the office, but I do need to get specific holiday bins for the office. And so I'm going to head to the conference room and set up the hot chocolate bar or hot cocoa bar along with the tablescape. So let's get started. We're going to start with the chocolate bar or hot chocolate bar, and then we'll move into the tablescape. So friends, I'm pretty much done. The only thing I need to do is some little tweaks. I'm going to tweak the trees a little bit, along with, write their names on their little cards. And other than that, I'm good. I'm happy with how it turned out. I had so much fun taking you on this journey with me. So I hope you will definitely enjoy the other ladies in the collab. I'm so excited to watch their videos. So definitely go over and join in on the fun with me. I'll put their link in the description box. It's already there, so you can go check it out. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed joining me on the journey of putting together the Tablescape. Definitely go over to my Instagram at AtHomeWithNikki, and I will try to remember to post pictures of the actual day so that you can kind of see the finished, the food and all that kind of stuff. So definitely join me over there. I hope you all are doing great. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And also for all my subscribers, if you will make sure to click that bell so that you are notified when I post a video, because I'm going to be rolling out my holiday content and I definitely don't want you to miss it. I hope you all are having a beautiful start to the season. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.